Ever wondered how some businesses not only survive, but thrive in the face of uncertainty and risk? The secret lies in effective risk response strategies. Welcome to our exploration of these vital strategies that can make or break a project, an enterprise, or even an entire industry. Consider the case of a global automobile manufacturer. We'll call them AutoCorp. Back in 2020, they faced a significant risk: the sudden imposition of tariffs on imported raw materials. This had the potential to disrupt their entire supply chain and significantly increase production costs. So, how did AutoCorp respond? They chose to employ a combination of risk response strategies. First came risk avoidance. They began exploring local sources for their raw materials, thus reducing their dependence on imports. This didn't entirely eliminate the risk, but it significantly reduced their exposure. Next, they used risk sharing. AutoCorp formed strategic partnerships with local suppliers, sharing the potential risk of price fluctuations. This way, both parties had a vested interest in maintaining stable prices. Finally, they employed risk acceptance. AutoCorp recognized that not all risks could be avoided or shared. For some minor raw materials, they accepted the potential cost increase as a part of doing business. Throughout this process, AutoCorp didn't just react to the risk. They proactively planned their response strategies, regularly reviewed their effectiveness, and adjusted as necessary. This case study of AutoCorp illustrates the key facets of risk response strategies. First, it's crucial to identify and understand the potential risks. Second, choose the most appropriate response strategy: avoidance, sharing, acceptance, or a combination of these. Third, implement the strategy and monitor its effectiveness. And finally, be prepared to adjust the strategy as circumstances change. Risk response strategies are not a one-time solution, but a continuous process of assessment, action, and reassessment. They require a deep understanding of the business environment, a willingness to adapt, and a commitment to proactive planning. In summary, whether it's a global corporation like AutoCorp or a small local business, effective risk response strategies can be the difference between success and failure. They help to navigate the uncertainties of the business world, turning potential threats into manageable challenges. So remember, identify the risk, choose your strategy, monitor effectiveness, and be ready to adapt. That's the recipe for thriving in a world full of risk.